Good evening to all my colleagues. I am Ashish Porwal, and currently I am in my 13th year of professional life. When I come to my learnings, there was no goal as far as professional growth is concerned, which we all are doing for ourselves since last 6 months or 1 year. Mayurji is also helping us do that. So we have learned the importance of having a goal and trying to achieve that. That was missing so far in my professional life. Coming to one-on-one coaching with sir. So first of all, I thank Rohit sir for providing this opportunity for getting Mayur sir for us, because we are so busy in our everyday work, we hardly get time to think about ourselves. We rarely think about our goals or learnings we would like to do or what improvements we would like to do in our life. Having Mayur sir in our life, when he comes every month, spends 1 hour, at least for that 1 hour, we are thinking about what has happened and what is wrong with us or what we need to improve within us. So even though I have heard lots of motivational videos, I have seen a lot of things, and there is always an urge to improve yourself, but somewhere down the line, because of our daily routine, we stop thinking about it and we forget it. But having Mayur sir, and when he gives us targets to do something, we consciously take an effort to improve ourselves. So that has been one of the great outcomes of our one-to-one session. Apart from that, I have seen one video. I don't know if it was shared with everyone. That was an image of a video of self-image, which said that how you see yourself, that comes out when you meet someone or you talk to someone. So that I am consciously taking an effort to improve myself within. So when I am thinking about something, if it comes out positively and nicely, it reciprocates with the other person. So that one thing I am in process of inculcating in myself. And one habit which I have started, in this book only I have started. So this is called Reflections. I keep writing my thoughts and my daily activities every day. I have recently started it. But this I wanted to do since a long time. But again, after meeting sir continuously, this I have finally started. So every night I sit down, I write down my daily activities, what has been done. If there are any thoughts which are there, I write it down, because at least I have an issue when my mind is running, I cannot fall asleep. So if I write down my thoughts, my mind is silent and I can have a peaceful sleep. So this again has been with the help of one-on-one session with Mayur sir. So there are small more learnings like to-do list. Many people are following. So I continuously talk to him and I refine my to-do list to have my priority work done first, how to complete my work. So I am in process of doing smaller actions to get myself better. And this has been a great journey so far, and I will keep learning more. Thank you.
Yes. Good. Thank you, Ashish.